Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 4.2 question number 1. Construct the following quadrilaterals. Quadrilateral GOLD. Here you see we have drawn a rough sketch of this quadrilateral GOLD. Here you see that OL is 7.5, OL that is OL this is 7.5 centimeter, GL 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 is 6 centimeter, right? GL is 6 centimeter and GD is 6 centimeter, LD is 5 centimeter and OD is 10 centimeter, right? Let us first of all find, let us take GL as 6 centimeter. Let us take GL, let us take a ruler first. Take this ruler. With the help of this ruler, take a length of 6 centimeter. GL is 6 centimeter, right? Here we are taking GL as 6 centimeter. Here you see, this is exactly 6 centimeter, 5.9, 6 centimeter, and this is GL, right? The name of this line is GL. This is G, this is G, and this is L, and that is 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. Now you see, with G as center, take an arc of 6 centimeter, and L as center, take an arc of 5 centimeter. First of all, let us take the compass. Here we have taken the compass here. Now, with the help of this compass, take an arc of 6 centimeter. With this, take an arc of 6 point, take this point at 0 point. This is exactly at 0, and we'll take an arc of 6 centimeter. You see, 5, 6, exactly 6 centimeter. With G as center, with G as center, make an arc here, right? With G as center, with G as center, make an arc of 6 centimeter, right? Let us make an arc of 6 centimeter, and L as center, make an arc of 5 centimeter. Let us take 5 centimeter. Let us take the length of the arc as 5 centimeter. Take this point at 0, this is 0, and take this length as 5 centimeter. Take this pointer at 5. You see, this is exactly 5 centimeter, right? With L as center, make an arc here again. With L as center, with L as center, L as center, make an arc of 5 centimeter. Make an arc of 5 centimeter, right? Let us make an arc of 5 centimeter, right? Then we got this point, and the name of this point is D. The name of this point is D. Now mark this as D point. This is D point. This point is D. Now with the help of the ruler, join GD and DL. Join GD and DL. With the help of this ruler, join ZD. Let us join G with the D. Let us join this one, ZD. Right, join G with the D point. This is GD. Now join. Let us join GD. Join GD. and also join DL. Let us join DL also. Let us join this DL point. Let us join D with L. Let us join this point DL. This is D. This is L point. This is D point. This is L point. Now join this D with L. Right? Here you see. This is 5 centimeter. DL is 5 centimeter. Let us write DL as 5 centimeter. This is DL as 5 centimeter. And GD as 6 centimeter. GD is 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. Now with L as center, to an arc of 7.5 centimeter. Now let us take 7.5 centimeter. With the help of this ruler, take this ruler and take an arc of 7.5 centimeter. Take an arc of 7.5 centimeter. You see, take this compass and take the pointer at the point 0. At the point 0, and make an arc of 7.5 centimeter. 7.5. Let us take 7.5. This is 7.4. 7. This is exactly 7.5 centimeter. With this pointer at L, make an arc of 7.5 centimeter. Right? With this pointer at L, make an arc of 7.5 centimeter. 7.5. Make an arc of 7.5 centimeter. Make an arc of 7.5 centimeter. One point 5 centimeter. And DS center make an arc with 10 centimeter. Let us take 10 centimeter with D as center. Let us take 10 centimeter with D as center. This is 0 and this is 10. This is 0 point, and make an arc of 10 centimeter. You see, this is 7.5, 8, 9, 9, and this is 10 centimeter. You see, this is 10 centimeter. Take this pointer at D. Take this pointer at D and make an arc of 10 centimeter. Make an arc of, take this pointer at D point exactly D, make an arc of 10 centimeter, right? Now join the point, this point is O, this point is O point, this point is O. Now join GO, join DO and LO. First draw this one, that is LO. LO is 7.5 centimeter. LO. Take the ruler and join this line, that is L with O, that is LO. Join this line LO, join this line LO. Let us join this one, right? Now you have to join DO, that is 10 centimeter. Join D with O. This is D and this is O point. Let us join this point. Let us join this point. That is DO. This is DO, that is 10 centimeter, and join GO. Join G with O. Let us join G with O. Let us join this point G with O. Let us join this line perfectly so that it may touch the point L, this point. Right? Now you see this one OL is 7.5 centimeter. OL is 7.5 centimeter, and OD is 10 centimeter. OD is 10 centimeter. Right? Here you see. Once again we are repeating. First of all, you have to draw GL 6 centimeter. With G as center, draw an arc of 6 centimeter. With L as center, draw an arc of 5 centimeter. You will got the point D. Then join GD and DL. After that, L as center, draw an arc of 7.5 centimeter. And with D as center, join arc of 10 centimeter. It will got the point O. Then join OL and DO. OL is 7.5 centimeter and DO is 610 centimeter. And this is the required quadrilateral. Dear friends, this is the required quadrilateral. Dear friends, this is the required quadrilateral. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.